think most customers are very similar for this product because this is our very popular product on our website, our Alibaba platform.
Yeah, it is how.
This is a multi-parameter controller. You can see the connector which can connect the different digital sensors. This meter can not only test the pH, dissolved oxygen, and the connectivity we just introduced. It's very powerful. It can test almost all parameters for the water testing. Just connect the digital sensors which have the RS485 output. Our engineering can connect the different parameters to this controller directly. So it is a customized product. It will be very useful to our customers because they don't need to choose every parameters with each meter and sensors.
Yeah.
You just need to use this one controller to meet your requirements.
Okay. So how about the application?
This controller mostly used in the wastewater treatment for the government project.
Okay.
It has a very standard parameters. For example, for the wait time, their government need to measure in the COD, pH, TSS, and the humidity for the wastewater treatment for every factory or every enterprises.
Yeah.
So they come and customize this multiply controller for their, and also it is very popular in the aquaculture industry for the fish farm or the vegetables and the fishing industry together.
Okay. So Kelly,
Yes.
I have a customer want to ask. They are aquaculture. They have
Yes.
their own fish farm
Yes.
and before they want to order this product, they want to know what parameters they need to test because their fish is very small.
Yeah.
And maybe some of the parameters is very important to small fish.
Yes, that's a really good question because I'm very professional for this industry because I have lots of customers in this industry. Generally, it needed to test the pH, dissolved oxygen, temperature, and the nitrite, because these parameters are very important for the fish survive.
Yes.
Very important.
Yes.
And so I will suggest the customer to test these parameters. And for some new industrial, they will generate it with vegetables and other plants. So they will also test the air temperature, the air humidity.
Yes.
We can do the integrated system for them.
Okay.
We have several customers. They do this industry for the IoT farms. I think the customer will very familiar this industry because this is very popular in the meantime now.
Okay, because our end user maybe cannot stay on site all the time, so they want to check the data, how they can get the data from this online.
Yes, this controller support the remote online monitoring. The customer can check the data from their mobile phone or from their computer. We will provide the app and the website.
Yeah.
You can check the data on anywhere and anytime. It's very convenient. And I think this is the very basic function for this multiply controller.
Well, it is great. Maybe our customer will like it. Like
Yes.
this product.
And the customer will ask, can this controller also test the flow or the level? It is no problem. We can do almost all parameters to this monitoring. The only condition is that the parameters has a sensor method. For example, some parameters they don't have the sensor method, only have chemical method. We cannot integrate that parameters into this controller.
Okay, just now you mentioned the flow meter. You mean the flow rate or the total ladder can display on the screen together, right?
Yes, all can display on this screen. All can display.
Okay.
And from now you can just see the one page. But if you test 20 parameters or you have 20 points, 40 points, or more than 100 points, we can all display on this screen.
Okay, and also on the app.
Yes, also on the app you can check all the data, and it is also has the history data. You can check the history data, and you can download the history data by the USB or from the website or from the app.
Yeah, that is a great product.
Yes.
I want to buy it now.
Okay, I will give you some discount.
Okay.
Yes.
And also, one more thing is about installation, because we know we
Mhm.
have all kind of sensors can integrate this product.
Yeah.
So it will involve the installation,
Yes.
because it is sensor type.
Yes.
Like you say, maybe in wastewater treatment plant, we just sample sensor to water is okay. And
Yeah.
how about the fish farm aquaculture area?
In the most situation, the customer will put the sensors into water directly, which means the submerged installation. But for some other industrial like wastewater, they will hang on this meter on the wall
Okay.
or on their board, their controller
Yeah.
system.